Hi everyone, welcome to RMN Hair YouTube channel. We are very fortunate to have your feedbacks and inquiries to our website rmnhair.com. It has been asked to us to show the lace that we use in making wigs. So in this video, I'll be showing you the lace cap and the lace that we use in making frontal enclosures. So this is the bulk here, 16 inches, 22 inches, and this is 20. This is natural state in 16 inches. This is around 100 grams, and this is 250 grams natural wavy, and this is again 250 grams in natural state. So this we use for making wigs and lace frontal closures. Same, and this is the cap that we use for making wigs. This is the standard lace cap. So you can see, have a look, and this is the stretching band that you can adjust as per your comfort. Like, we have to stretch it from here, and there are many holes in it, and you can just fix it here like this, and it will be adjustable. So this is the cap that we use, and the same lace that we use for making frontal enclosures. You can see this is the same one. So that's how we make the lace and frontal enclosures. Additionally, I would like to add, as India is a land of festivals, we post many offers and deals on our YouTube channel, and they are very limited offers. So please subscribe our channel and do share with others. Above all, feel free to contact us to get any information related to human hair. In no time, our hair expert will get in touch with you. And if you want us to make any particular video, please write to us through email. Thank you very much.